Hi! We're gonna make pie today. I'm gonna do pie crust from scratch. That's right, no store-bought pie for me. Tomorrow is Thursday, March 14th, so we're gonna do math and baking combined. It's like concepts are made concrete and made delicious also. So, it's super easy, especially if you've got one of these guys. This is a food processor, it's nice and big pie. But we're gonna make pie cookies. I'm gonna be using Granny Smith apples because they are tart. You wanna start with a tart apple or else you're just gonna have, it's just gonna be super sweet, and super sweet isn't always the best. So I need 3/4 of a cup of butter cubed. Do you want pie? Alrighty, so cubes back in the fridge. So we don't have a really dense pie crust is to take a spoon and drop it into the measuring cup instead of just scooping the measuring cup into the flour. Take a knife and level it off. So that's 1 cup, 2 cup,
ow,
half. All right, teaspoon of salt, and so we're incorporating the butter slowly. We're not going to dump them all in at once. One at a time. Okay, so you can see how it's starting to clump up a lot. Now, this is like that, what it says in the recipe. If you have one of these books, these are pretty fantastic. They say to use shortening, half shortening and 1/4 cup of butter, but I use all butter. Works just fine. So now this is gonna start turning into a dough once we start adding water. My food processor is not going to be able to handle it turning into a complete solid mass. So I'm going to do it until the moment that it starts to stick up or turn into a ball. As soon as that happens, we're gonna turn it onto the counter and just knead it for a little bit. Okay? Don't put any ice cubes in it. Here we go, look at that. One more. All right, good enough. Let's take this off. Dump it. Okay, here's my nice crumbly pie crust. It doesn't look delicious at all. And we're just gonna smush it. We're gonna smush it. Now don't knead it too much because then you'll melt the butter and then it'll get gross.
Messy and gross.
Messy and gross. I don't want ice cubes. So yeah, I'm gonna add some water right to the thing, like this. And I'm just gonna...
Gotta have a nice clean counter.
Yep, we have a nice clean counter. That's important.
So you won't get dusty on it.
You just keep turning it. Or the look I'm looking for is so when I push down on the ball, I'm not gonna have really big, like, separation.
It's starting to get mushy.
It's okay. I'll just collect the water. I can already feel it's got a good amount of moisture. I'm gonna form it into a ball. You see how we don't have a lot of splits on the side. Like if it was splitting on the side like this, that would be, if we kept on doing it, it would be too dry. You would have dry pie crust. So your test is after you've kneaded it, push it. That doesn't separate very much. So See how I have a little bit? This is a good moisture content. So now we're gonna grab some saran wrap and wrap it up. Okay, so then this sits in the refrigerator. This is an apple peeler core. It's magic. We've got about 8 Granny Smiths. 8? 9 Granny Smiths.
Oh, you put it on the floor.
Small bowl.
Mom said. Never mind, I'll do it. Oh, onto the floor. See these 3 spikes? You gotta line the apple up with the 3 spikes. And then shove it on there. Shove it. So it does that. And you will get an apple spring. And you'll just
This recipe that I'm following, which I don't normally follow recipes, this is probably not what I'm supposed to do actually. Because this is how you get little clumps. Whoops. Remove half a cup of liquid from the pot and whisk in a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Don't dump it in. The only way I see fixing this, because I just threw clumps in there and now they're just stupid giant clumps of cornstarch. We're just gonna make it into applesauce. And that's fine because we're doing hand pies. We don't want giant clumps of apple. All right. That is successfully getting rid of the clumps of cornstarch. Gorgeous. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so I still have some more cornstarch to add.
it does.
Let's not rush into things. Okay, let's try to do this the other way. Now that I've made it into a soup,
50-cent try.
the rest of the cornstarch. See, I know how to make pies real good. I bet you all were like totally convinced now that I'm a genius when I make
Mistakes. A lot.
It never fails that I always want to try something new for the first time and then, you know, document it. You know, it'll still be edible and that's what counts. That's what really matters, you guys. Because I'm trying to not be so wasteful with plastic, you guys. So, wrap it in bees.
It is.
Stop it.
Honey's bee bark.
Why do you have to know things?
I know the truth.
Bee bark. You're probably supposed to not use it when it's warm. Because it'll melt all the beeswax off. Whatevs. Time to put this in the fridge. You know what the egg wash does?
It makes them clean.
No, it doesn't make them clean. What
Why
does the
is
egg
it
wash
called
do?
it?
They make them golden. You want some brown golden crust?
No.
You put
Black.
egg wash on there. Don't touch your head with it.
I'm leaving.
Goodbye.
I want to eat this. I'm kidding.
Right when you get work, grab your fingers. Go
On
like
his
this.
face.
Rub, 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 rub. Yeah, that one's done. Lovely. This symbol is Greek. The symbol is from the Greek alphabet. Learn this. Stop it. Stop. Get out of here. Oliver, stop means stop.
But I didn't do it once.
So?
So I gotta do it.
No.
Yes.
That is not a thing. That is not a thing. What is this?
Letter
is this?
P.
The letter. Yes, it represents the sound.
What's the letter O? What's the little? Two O's and one P. One P?
Let's use the Greek alphabet
Two
to
P's.
spell poop.
Yes.
All y'all can go away now. Bye.
No.
Bye.
No. I can go to the bathroom. Bro, stop it already.
Enough. Hey, be serious.
What do you do with a pinky as a big mouth?
You making it a thing?
Thumbs down. Thumbs down.
Y'all not gonna get no pies.